Hello, just a bit of a review on the Ultimate Addons cases. I've been using the Samsung S9 case for about 4 years now. I had it on a previous bike, and I've had it on my current bike for about 2 years. And what's happened over time, the back of the case with the locating lugs secure to the bracket, they've got worn. So thinking I'd have to have a new case and part with some money, which I don't like doing, spoke to Ultimate Addons and they came up with a better idea. They sent me the parts to put a new bracket on the back, a new plate, locating plate, and some new hinges, which had also worn as well. So here goes. Let's do a refurbishment. Right, here we are. Let's come out to the bike, and here we are. Here's the Ultimate Addons case. Let's shut that down, see? And if you look, there's one of my hinges. That's what we're going to replace. That bit. That one's not too bad, the main one there. But you see it wobbling about. It's because it's worn on the back. Right, as you can see, this part, those lugs there and that one, they become worn on the top and underneath there, see? And on this one on the back. That's taken it on and off over the last 4 years or so. And this is the back of the case. You can see there where it's worn and there. So that's what we're going to replace, that back plate there, see? Just them 3 screws. Right, here we are. Here's the case. You can see just 1, 2, 3 screws to come out of that back plate. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. There it is. There's the one back plate. So that's the old one. You can see the worn lugs. Turn it the right way up. I'll put the new one on. And got 3 new screws, so put them on as well. Right, that's that back plate done. Now then, we've got, as you can see it here, that clip there. So what we're going to do is replace that clip on this one, on the old one. It's the clip and the pin together. On the new one, it's separate. There's the clip, there's the pin. So there we go. That's it. Job done. Yeah, job done. That's the case done. I've also got a new bracket for going on the back. Just locates like that. Job's a gun. Okay, here we go. Here's the ultimate add-on setup. So we've got a ram mount there with a ball on it coming out of the top of the yoke. We've got this piece here, clamp piece, and another ball there. We've got the bracket here, which the phone case locates on. This goes onto that ball. And you can see I've got the bracket on there. Just need to tighten it up after I've got the phone case in. And I can make sure I tighten it up, and I'll tighten that extension piece up as well, just to make sure I've got it in the right position. But as you can see, on the back of the case, we have like a safety cord there. And I put that safety cord there. Right, as you can see, I've connected the safety cord there. So now there's a new back plate, there's a new bracket. Right, there we go. So that's all connected back up. Safety cord's there. If we can have a look underneath there, it's all connected back up. And a bit of wobble, no wobble. So there we have it, a quick refurbishment of the Ultimate Addons case. If you do get it loose, you've got the 3 screws on the back. Check those first, but if the plate's worn, you can buy a new plate from Ultimate Addons, put the plate on, and job should be a good one.